Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to clear local lens data on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to clear local lens data on Snapchat can help you manage storage space on your device and improve the app's performance. And also, clearing local lens data remove temporary files and change information associated with lenses which can accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, click your profile icon here, and then enter to the settings page. Okay, and here, please scroll down until you find lenses option, and tap on it. Well, after that, select the first option, and then again click clear option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to clear local lens data on Snapchat app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.